they're right here. All of my stickers are right here and they're so pretty, and oh my god, I love purple. I love September, and I'm just so excited to set up September. Like, you guys, I've been behind. I know you guys. I know. I've been a little behind, but I want to set up everything like that. I'm not even alive. So I think how many weeks we're gonna set up. First, we're gonna set up my weekly check-in. So I have 4 weeks I need to set up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a big piece of washi. I'm gonna go ahead and put it here. And I want to just set up my weekly check-ins like that when it comes to, you know, checking in. Everything's ready to go. I don't have to really worry about much. So that's that. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my weekly check-in. And if you're interested in any of my stickers, they are on my shop. I'll link my shop down below, but it's like on my social media at erikalifevlogs. So I'm going to go ahead and put each one of these, and basically it comes with a weekly check-in and the 4 functional strips, which have 5 in them because I never know how many weeks are in a month, so I just include 5. You don't have to use all of them, but I do. So I use how many categories? So I have groceries, gasoline, laundry, spending, and then that's it, right? Spending, groceries, gasoline, laundry, unbudgeted. So we're gonna put one right over here, and then once I'm done with that, I'll be back to show you how the finished product looks. So I did end up putting the last one just because September does have like the 30th on like a Monday or on a Tuesday, so I'm just gonna add it on. And now I'm just gonna put like the weeks that I'll be checking in. So week 1, week 2. So if you ever see like the weeks on my title of the video, it just means this is the week I'm checking in for those who are kind of confused on that. But it's just so you can know the week that we're checking in. And that's how that looks. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put the categories. I'm going to use my purple Arteza 0.7 purple pen because this month is purple and I'm just so excited. So I have groceries, gasoline, laundry, or spending. Let's do spending. Laundry, and unbudgeted. And of course for unbudgeted, I never budget anything because that just means that something happened within that week that I just couldn't control and I had to like include it in my budget. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay all of that out and I'll be right back. Alright, they're all filled out. Now I don't have a ruler with me to like create the lines, but that's okay. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm just gonna go ahead and put one of these washies in the bottom to seal it up and call it a day. And now my weekly check-in is ready for every week now. So that is how it's gonna be looking, super beautiful and purple. And I just love the colors. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead up and set up my transaction logs because that's the only thing that I don't set up beforehand. I mean, like I do my paycheck 1, paycheck 2 as I do them, and then my variable income, and then my transaction log. So those are the ones that we can actually set up. So let me go ahead and get that started. So let's see, paycheck 1, 2, variable income, and transaction log. I'm going to go ahead and put it up here. And I'm going to put, do I want to put a big washi? No, I'm going to do a small washi because my transaction log kind of gets to be heavy at the end of the month. So I'm going to go ahead and just white out the hexagon, so you don't have to live with it. You know, I would have preferred the little page flags instead because the page flags are a little higher on the Erin Condrens. They would be up here so they wouldn't interfere as much, but nonetheless I want to go ahead and add it. I'm going to use again the floral pattern, And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right over here. Beautiful. And then let me grab my transaction log, which is hiding somewhere. Where did I put it at? Here we go. Here it is, my transaction log. And I do a transaction log just so I can see exactly where my money for my bank account is going. This is not for like my sinking funds or anything like that. This is basically just so I can see where my money in my bank account is gone. Like, it makes me verify that everything that I know had to be taken out is taken out. And I love it. I love keeping track of my debit card because I don't swipe it as often anymore. And when I do, I'm like always hesitant because I'm like, oh my god, is there a cushion enough to back it up or not? So yeah. So I basically just track every day. And this is out of habit. Every day I look at my bank account and then I come to this page and I write down everything. And that's how I know, you know, my starting balance and my ending balance. And like that, if I ever have to swipe my card, I already have that mental note saying, hey, you already have it set and forth. So this is my transaction log, and that's it. I've set up basically most of my planner already. As you guys saw in my previous video, I do have my debt tracker already up with my sinking funds. All I'm missing now is my paycheck 1 and paycheck 2 and my variable income. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love the month of September. It's so purple, and I can't wait to set up paychecks 1 and 2 with you and everything else. So yeah, there you go. That's all my extras that I have. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a quick, simple video. I know it's a little messy, but I'll see you in my next one. Bye!